This video is just going to give you some information about the CLEP test. This is the college level examination program, what CLEP stands for. And every year, Captain Shreve offers this college earning credit test to my Global Insight students, both enriched and honors. What they would be taking is the Western Civilization Part 2 exam. That covers everything that we will be going over from August until basically April, when that CLEP test is given. It's not given in May, it's actually given in April. Again, it's offered to all Global Insight, it's offered to all Global Insights enriched and honor students. It is taken on a computer. It's 120 multiple choice questions that you have to answer in 90 minutes, so it is timed. And once that 90 minutes is up, it locks you out and you immediately get your scores. So they are going to be given to you right then and there. That's the great thing about CLEP. You don't have to wait weeks to get your scores back. If you score a 50, then that is considered passing, and you can actually earn college credit. Most colleges that take CLEP scores accept that score of a 50 because that's the minimum passing score that you can get. It's basically like a 3 on an AP test. If you do take this exam and score a passing 50 or better, then I can get permission from Ms. Gustafson to exempt you from the final exam, not the midterm exam in December, but the actual final exam that you all will take in May. But that's only if you take the CLEP and earn a passing score of a 50 or better. So it just gives you something to think about. The test cost goes up every year. Last year it was around $85. That usually goes up $5 every year, so I put on here that more than likely it's going to be $90. Of course, when I find out the exact price, I will let everybody know. So you would be required to pay that on our registration day, which is sometime in March, that you will register through the library. And if you are one of my top students, then you could qualify for the school to pay for your CLEP test. To qualify, you have to do exceptionally well throughout this course from August, now, until basically the time when they give out those vouchers, which again is sometime in March. I'll talk to you a little bit later, about all of that. But when I say do well, that means score 85 or better on all quizzes that I give for a grade, all tests. Obviously, the semester exam, you've got to score an 85 or better in December. You've got to also make sure your overall semester grade is an 85 or better. Again, usually students that are within that 85 or better for the course are in good shape to do well on the CLEP. I'm not saying everybody does, because it takes a lot of work on your part. You got to put forth a lot of work, effort, and self-discipline for studying for this test, because there are a lot of things that we don't get to since they're giving it to you in April. And so I can offer you the CLEP preparation books. I can tell you where to go buy them. I've got a couple that I'll let students borrow. So again, we can talk about that much later, but I just wanted to at least introduce to you the idea of possibly earning college credit for this course, because it's not a dual enrollment course. This would be the only way for you to receive at least 3 hours of college credit. So if you have any questions about this, you can always ask your questions either in person if you see me or through an email. And again, much more information about this coming later down the road.